Hi all! So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a start I rooted out in dirt. I trimmed these from my large umbrella tree about 2 months ago. I got them to root out by putting them in a jar of water and leaving them alone. I maybe topped off the water once a week. Once you pick out a start with good roots, it's time to gather your supplies. It's important to pick a planter that is an appropriate size. Umbrella trees halfway like being pot bound, so this small of a start will do better in a smaller pot. The pot we chose doesn't have a drainage hole, so we will supplement that with a layer of lava rocks. I rinse my rocks to knock off any debris that it might have picked up from being stored outside. You also need dirt. Now it's time to get started. This doesn't have a drainage hole at the bottom, so a good way to counteract that is with lava rocks. It just adds a little fake drainage layer. These are rinsed, and that's maybe like an inch, 2 inches, and that is more than plenty. So at that you can get your start in there. Some people like to start the dirt out and then kind of make a well and put the plant in there. With how tall this guy is, I think we're going to be fine if we kind of just pour the dirt in around. And you're going to make a mess, and that's just part of it. So you want to make sure you're packing the dirt in around as you go. Pack it, pack it, pack it so he stands upright. You might want to use a stick or something as a support if you've got to. And you want to leave about 1 inch or so gap from the top. That way if you water, it doesn't immediately spill over the top. And there you go. He's a little off center, but he's leaning a little off center, so it all works pretty well. And this guy will get probably a 1/4 cup of water once a week. One thing about umbrella plants is they really like water and they really don't like a lot of sunlight. So you want to keep them in low lighting, diffused lighting, but you want to make sure they stay pretty moist. So with him not having a good drainage layer, he should be fine with about a 1/4 cup, is my guess. So there you go. Really simple, really easy. And I guess my best advice is you're gonna make a mess and you're gonna screw some things up, and that's part of the process. I hope this helps. Happy planting, and remember, nobody's perfect.